Little eggy shells. Where?
Right there.
Wow.
And I didn't really look around.
What little friends hatched? They're kind of big.
Yeah. I think they're so cool.
Wow. They're really cool.
Yeah.
There's like no color on them.
Like you can feel them, they're different than chicken eggs.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
They're very fragile. Also, this stick is beautiful. You're so cute. There you are.
This little piggy went to the swamp. This little piggy went to where the piggy go? To the field. This little piggy went to the market.
This
little piggy
went to his friend the turtle's house.
This little piggy slept through all of it and he woke up alone.
It was like, how did I get on such an ugly
Who put me on this foot?
Hi guys, so this week I tried to experiment with making my own watercolors from teas I had sitting around the house, and I used rose, which I'm stirring right now, jasmine, lavender, and gosh darn it, I forgot the last one. I'll definitely make sure to put it in there though once I find it. I think it might be a daisy or something. I'm trying to think what tea would be that beautiful yellow flower. Anyway, you can probably tell from the video that just using the tea itself didn't really show up on the paper. I think it wasn't vibrant enough or dark enough. Maybe if I tried doing a different, like more flower to water ratio, it might have came up better. I will say that when I rubbed the rose and the yellow flower onto the paper itself, it was a lot darker. So I think it would be interesting to see how, like maybe just staining flowers onto paper using hot water would be an interesting thing to play around with. So then I got gum arabic powder. I read that it was a good binder for making your own watercolors, so I wanted to see if that would make a difference if I added it straight to the tea. And it definitely came up a little bit darker. Not very much. I think I would need to experiment more with pH balances. I know that lemon juice and sodium bicarbonate are really good at altering the pH. I'm not exactly sure in what ways they do and how it affects the pigment, but I definitely want to experiment more with making my own watercolors. And just being surrounded by flowers during this whole thing was so beautiful. So I'm really excited that I did it and I dipped my toes into trying it out. I'll insert a picture of the paper when it's all dry. It turned out kind of cool actually. I wouldn't have it just on its own, but maybe like layering more watercolor over it or drawing something on top. I think it would be like really cool. Anyway, that's it for this video. This week I just wanted to get comfortable with filming and talking over the things I film. I'm really happy with how this painting experiment turned out and this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I have a fun couple of things coming up in terms of like painting time lapses, and stop motion. I'm really excited. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm pumped, and I hope you are as well. Excited to see us grow. See you later.